Picture this. You wake up in the morning, brew your coffee, and start your day working on a business that doesn't tie you to a 9 to 5. You don't need a boss, you don't need a huge investment, and you don't even need much experience. Sounds unreal, right? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal the best online business you can start in 2025, even as a total beginner. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the most beginner-friendly online business to start in 2025. Whether you're someone looking to escape the daily grind, make a side income, or build a full-time online empire, this business is your golden ticket. By the end of this video, you'll know 1. What the business is, 2. Why it's perfect for beginners, and 3. How you can get started today. And here's the kicker. This isn't about chasing fads or get-rich-quick schemes. This is about building something real, sustainable, and profitable. Let's dive in. Let's face it. Many online business models seem enticing but are riddled with challenges. For instance, dropshipping has tiny profit margins and stiff competition. Affiliate marketing, great, but it takes months, sometimes years, to see significant income. Freelancing requires skills and can feel like trading one boss for another. What if there were a business model that doesn't require large investments, is scalable, and works even if you're a complete beginner? Spoiler alert. There is, and I'll share it in just a moment. But first, let me ask you this. How would your life change if you could create something once and get paid for it over and over again? The best online business to start in 2025 is digital product creation. Here's why digital products are the ultimate game changer. Low cost to start. No need for inventory, shipping, or huge investments. Scalability. Create it once, sell it indefinitely. Flexibility. Work from anywhere and at your own pace. High demand. People are constantly looking for knowledge, tools, and solutions. Everything from ebooks to online courses, templates, and even presets. Think about it. If you have any skill or experience, big or small, you can turn it into a digital product. And here's a bonus tip for marketing your product. Use video to grab attention. If you're not a video expert, don't worry. Tools like Pictory.ai make it unbelievably easy. You can transform scripts, blogs, or even basic ideas into engaging videos within minutes. No need for editing skills. Pictory.ai does the hard work for you with the power of AI. It's perfect for creating promo videos, tutorials, or even social media content to drive sales. Click the link in the description to try it today. It's a total game changer for beginners. Here's a simple 4-step plan to launch your digital product business. 1. Pick a niche. Focus on a specific audience. Examples: personal finance, health and fitness, productivity, or even hobbies like photography. 2. Create the product. Start small with an ebook, guide, or digital templates. 3. Leverage AI for marketing. Use tools like Pictory.ai to create eye-catching video ads or tutorials that drive engagement and sales. 4. Choose a sales platform. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website make it easy to sell your digital product. Worried you're not an expert? Don't be. You only need to know a little more than your target audience to create value. Here's the truth. People don't want perfection, they want solutions. If you've ever solved a problem or learned a skill, there's someone out there willing to pay for that knowledge. For example, if you figured out how to plan budget-friendly vacations, you could create a guide and sell it. Remember, you don't have to be the best, you just have to be helpful. And that's it. Now you know the best online business to start in 2025 and how to get started. So, what's stopping you? Leave a comment below and tell me your biggest hurdle. Let's overcome it together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and check out Pictory.ai in the description to supercharge your business with AI-powered videos. 2025 is your year to shine, but only if you take the first step. The question is, are you ready to turn your ideas into income? Let's make it happen.